may select any 2 team members, but it is essential that the 3rd team member be Naya Nordor Fall. She is a civilian and a highly capable professional thief. You have 48 hours to recruit Miss Nordor Fall and meet me in Seville to receive your assignment. As always, should you or any member of your Iron Force be caught and killed, the Secretary will disavow all knowledge of your actions. And Mr. Hunt, the next time you go on holiday, please be good enough to let us know where you're going.
This message will self-destruct in 5 seconds.
I'll let you know where I'm going. I won't be on holiday.